Thinking about switching to YOUFIBRE broadband in 2025? Here's the real deal. No fluff, just facts. YOUFIBRE is a UK-based broadband provider offering a full fiber internet with speeds up to 1 Gbps and in some areas even 2.5 Gbps. Sounds impressive, right? Well, the speed and pricing definitely turns heads. Their plans are often cheaper than bigger names like BT or Virgin. So is it legit? Yes, it's a real company with growing coverage across the UK. Most users report a great speed and smooth streaming, especially for gaming and 4K video. Plus, they often throw in no contract deals and free setup, a big win for budget-conscious users. But there's a catch. Since they're still expanding, availability is limited to specific postcodes. And while customer support gets mostly positive reviews, a few users mention occasional delays during high-demand periods. So, final verdict, YOUFIBRE is legit, not a scam. If it's available in your area, you want the fast internet without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth checking out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.